So this is going to be a double parter just because we're looking for AD. So we'll see why it's a double parter in about a second. So first let's see what we're given. So we have DE, which is this. Then we have EB, which is this. I know it's curved, but let's pretend it's not. Then we have CD, which is equal to 28. So it looks like we're going to have to use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out what AD is going to be. So first, we need to use the line segmented, or not even, we're just going to equal these out. So we need to find the value of x. We can equal DE, E is equal to EB because E is a midpoint. So we have DE is equal to EB. And that's because E is a midpoint. So we have here 4x plus 1 equals 12x minus 31. Subtract 4x, 4x. So we have 1 is equal to 8x minus 31. We're going to add 31, add 31. You get 32 is equal to 8x. 8, 16, 24, 32. That means x is equal to 8. Or 4, I mean. X is equal to 4. Okay? So now, we want to use the line segment addition postulate to figure out what the full length is going to be. So, I don't want to do that actually. Let's just double one of them. DE looks easier to double. So let's find DB is equal to 2 times DE. So DB is equal to 2 times 4x plus 1. We do know the value of x, so we're going to plug that in here. So we have this is equal to 2 times, or we can just make it 8x plus 2. Now we can plug it in to the x because we just used the distributive property just to make it into everything. So 2, 8x, yep, right. So we have right here 8 times 4 plus 2, which we get equal to 8, 16, 24, 32. We get 32 plus 2, which will be equal to 34. So now we want to find the value of AD. We know the full length is going to be 28, or 34, and this is 28. That's 28 based off the information given, and we want to find the value of AD. Right here, AD is the same as this information right here. So we're going to use this right triangle since it is congruent just to go from there. Okay, so we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem now. Move it down a little. So we draw an arrow. That means we're given C here. C is the full length, and we're looking for right here B. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We're going to be looking for b. So we have 28 squared plus b squared equals, ooh, it's pretty bright. Let me close the window a little. There we go. 28 squared plus b squared equals our 34. So 34 squared. Then you can use your calculator. One way you could do this is 28 times 28. Get 784. Plus b squared is equal to, and then you have 34 squared, you get 1,156. You're going to subtract that from 784. And when you do subtract that by 784, you get 372. So we're at b squared is equal to 372. From here, we're going to square root, and we get b is equal to 19.29. So that means we found BC, which also means we found AD. So AD is roughly equal to 19.29.